lasang bubble gum para i-root ka na, i-crown yan. So, cover siya para in Culinary Health Center, Durango, to have crown. So my appointment is 11 o'clock. I came here at 10:54. They did temporary crown on my tooth, and then after 2 weeks they're gonna deliver the crown, and then I made a schedule for another 2 weeks, yeah. Maghintay ako ng 2 weeks para ilalagay na nila yung parang pinaka-permanent na crown. So, ibang-iba talaga po dito sa Amerika kasi kung sa Pilipinas yun, ewan ko lang. Pero this is my first time to have a crown kasi sinave talaga nila yung teeth dun sa dito dahil kasi nagparod kanal ako, and then maraming paparod kanal ka, and then ibipiling nila, and then after that they need to crown it. It depends to you kung gusto mo na maging maganda yung ngipin mo. Ganun po kahalaga yung ngipin natin. So, bye-bye na. I will end this vlog. God bless you all.